Many skincare mistakes can sabotage your progress, waste money, or harm your skin. Let's explore over 60 errors to avoid and how to fix them. Using the wrong cleanser can cause dryness or irritation. If your skin feels tight after washing, it's likely too harsh. Washing more than twice a day strips natural oils, causing imbalance. Hot water can irritate your skin. Lukewarm water is best. Scrubbing too hard damages your skin barrier and leads to irritation. Over-exfoliating weakens your skin barrier and causes sensitivity. Limit exfoliation to once or twice a week. Avoid harsh scrubs. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs are gentler and more effective. Not exfoliating at all can lead to dullness and clogged pores. Moisturizing is essential for all skin types, even oily skin. Apply moisturizer to damp skin to lock in hydration. Choose lightweight formulas for oily skin and richer creams for dry skin. Neglecting sunscreen is one of the most damaging mistakes. UV rays cause premature aging and dark spots, even indoors or on cloudy days. Apply sunscreen daily and reapply every 2 hours when outside. Don't forget your neck, ears, and hands. Using expired products can irritate skin and reduce effectiveness. Check expiration dates and store products properly. Use retinol and similar ingredients at night to avoid sun sensitivity. Introduce active ingredients gradually and patch test to prevent irritation. Touching your face transfers bacteria, leading to breakouts. Picking at pimples worsens acne and can cause scarring. Sleeping with makeup on clogs pores and prevents overnight skin repair. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to support healthy skin. Sleeping with your face pressed against a pillow can cause wrinkles. Use a silk pillowcase to reduce friction. Clean your phone regularly to prevent bacteria transfer. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can improve your skin's health and appearance. Small changes can make a big difference.